Hey guys, this is Mrs. Carr, and I am here for your rundown on science. Today is Monday, May 11th, so welcome to the week. So this week we're switching it over from adaptations to traits and behaviors, inherited traits and learned behaviors. So pretty cool stuff. This was always a fun unit. That I think you guys will enjoy. So the very first thing that you're going to do is watch this video. It's on YouTube, and it does appear to be, I wonder if it's the full length. No, it's not the full length of the video. But you'll get most of the video in. They took out the DIY, I'm sure. But anyways, so watch that Genius Generation. You all know we love the Izzy and Dr. Jeff. So watch that video first, because that's pretty cool. And then you're going to go over your vocabulary words. You're not doing anything with this link other than looking at the picture and the word and the definition. You're being introduced to your vocabulary. There's not any action items on this. You're just studying them, okay? Then you have your discussion questions, but I would actually do this link first, because this is an activity to help you get used to your vocabulary. So you're going to click on this. Okay. And this is pretty cool, guys. I really like this. I'm going to start using this more often. And then you're just going to click sort. Start. See, I'm looking down here already. Group sort. But you're going to click start. So it just says follow the directions, drag and drop each item into its correct group. So you're going to click start. And look, it's even timing you here once you get started. Oh, look, it's already started. So if you pull it there, and then once you do all of them on this side, you will click submit answers. Okay. And that's it for there. And then, so you're going to skip over the questions and the discussion post and do this first. And then you'll come back and do these discussion posts. And you guys know the drill. It's in Schoology, so feel free to type up those answers in Schoology for me. Okay, guys? Please don't forget to go back and check your answers either later in the evening or in the morning to see that feedback and how you did on those questions. Okay, guys? If you need anything, please let us know. We're here for you. We're here for you, and that is it for today's rundown. All right, guys. Bye-bye. We'll see you tomorrow.